Thank you.
I hope your friend's videoing it.
I am.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Whoa,
Nice,
whoa.
nice, nice. Go easy and trim it out once you're up at the top. I would go a little bit higher and trim it out.
My elevator messing up.
Let's try to go level flight.
Whoa.
Yeah, that's going down.
It's not trimmed.
It's not trimmed, yeah.
And it's really wonky right now. Really wonky.
Just try to stabilize it with your hand, get a feel for it. I would go a little bit higher.
My rates are too low.
I would definitely go higher right now until you trim it out. Switch it.
Rudder.
Yeah, don't even rudder right now. Avoid that. Are you gonna land? Nice.
Okay, you take it easy.
Yeah, yeah.
You land.
Yeah, he's got to trim it out.
Oh,
And
trim out.
I just adjusted the tail. Yeah, I need to.
Yeah, he's got to. Do you have dual rate set up?
Look
Not
like you're
yet.
very sensitive to elevator and the aileron.
Yeah, it's oversensitive.
Yeah,
But you know, I just adjusted the back, so like the problem on the elevator, if I pull up, it doesn't come back to completely to neutral. It still has
I
like
had the
climb.
same problem too on the one I have Albatross. So that one, so first of all check the servo, because the servo has, it may be a